I don't know what the word is the bell. Oh, come on everyone. Everyone, Kaya. No, that's why. I realize you just like to work at the Ritz.
Anong Ritz ka dyan?
Because we have to go in. If it's Columbia, it's China again.
So where do you want to live? British Columbia or Saskatchewan?
British Columbia.
Why?
So that we can figure it out and find it out take it so long to drive. So that's why.
So kukunin natin guys yung ano. Today is Saturday. Wala akong pasok. Kukunin natin yung letter kung may letter ba tayo. Or pupunta tayo sa ano. What do you call this? French Park. You excited with that?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Go na. Meron kaming letter. Mamaya na lang namin kunin. From Costco. Ito yung neighborhood.
One eternity later.
Let's take. Add it to the end of the video, okay? Add it to the end of the video, okay, mommy?
1, 2, Ella! Jump! Okay. Oh, Ella! What are you doing?
Ella, mommy, can you add
I'll
it
go
to the
up,
end
up,
of the
up,
video?
up.
So we add it to the end of the video?
Yeah.
I am scared.
See, you're on the top of the mountain.
No, it's actually called the hill.
Ah, hill lang.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yay! There's a walk there. Oh, I can see the
So guys, nasa taas na tayo dito.
Let's go up again.
Oh, let's go there na.
There.
Let's find our house then.
Find our house? Why? We don't need to.
Then we'll go to Tim Hortons.
Yeah.
Oh, hold each other.
No. Ah, the Tim Hortons is the last part of the night.
Yeah.
I want to go run to the cycle. How? How? How can we find our home here?
Ella, where are you going?
Why do we have to go here? Because it's not I don't want to.
Explore. We're exploring.
Yeah, this is the...
Daddy didn't see this.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, we're always see this dry land. Yeah.
Yeah.
How? How do you know?
Because I just know it.
Because...
Oh, come here. Walk here.
Oh.
Here. Oh, follow this path.
This is that way.
Para kayong mga Teletubbies kanina. Teletubbies. You didn't know the Teletubbies? I'll show you the Teletubbies cartoons.
No.
No? Mabilis na, walk na. Follow the dog's path.
What the?
Uh-uh.
How do you know you get Teletubbies?
Yeah, that's the dog, right? So, yan guys. Alas 11 na. Tanghali na. So, dito. Kaden, say hi! Where are you?
I don't know. I don't know. There's a field.
In a park daw. Sabi ni kanina.
No, it's a field.
Manila.
There's a lot of grass. It's not a park.
We're going to get pala yung mail natin ha sa mailbox.
But Ella, this is going to look like Teletubbyland.
Teletubbyland. Yeah, you're correct. So, ayun. Area. Sa likod na kami. Backyard. Mga backyard nila. So, are you okay na? Maganda dito, guys. Dead end muna. At least walang mga ano. Diba?
We're marching to the walk path.
Yeah. We're now on the walk path.
Yeah. Hello. Hello. I will tell you what the subscribers said, please. Only one subscriber can repeat what I tell in the end of the video. But for that week I thought we're going to park.
We cannot understand naman. You speak clearly. Oh, do it again.
Okay. Hey.
Speak slowly and clearly, please.
But we have to delete the scene that we did by accidentally.
Beautiful bird.
You didn't delete it.
Okay, go.
Hello. Hello. We're at the park.
Okay.
And we're going to Quest Park.
Okay.
And I will tell you what. Once you guys are being on the edge, don't forget to bring it as necessary.
Okay, thank you. So yan guys. Nagwo-walk kami papunta naman. Baliktad naman ngayon. Papunta sa French Park. Hindi na kami sa kalsada. Dito na kami sa likod lang. Likod bahay. Wow, may nagba-barbecue dun, oh. Ang sarap. Oh, amoy mo? Bango.
Flag over there?
Uy, no!
Go over there and you just show the flag. Show the subscribers the houses over there.
Oh, show the subscribers the houses daw. Yan guys, oh, sabi ni Direct Kaden. Ito yung houses sa likod. Ang bango. Ang bango nung ano,
What is that?
nung barbecue.
Wait, a barbecue? How is the wall?
Kaya nga Kaden. Kasabihin nila, scavengers. Yeah.
Let's go. We're over there to Quest Park.
Ganda ng bahay niya, no?
Are excited subscribers?
Yes, we are! Oh, excited daw sila.
No, tell me in the comments below.
Tell daw in the comments below kung excited daw kayo. Ano ba tong batang to? Hyper ngayon. Sorry na. Ha? Ayun nga, oh. Kaso wala siyang harang, no? Wala siyang harang sa bahay niya.
That in the future we can have a
Wala siyang
trampoline.
fence, oo. Siya yung walang fence, oh. Diba? Yung puting yon, yun yung mahal ang fence. Yung puti na yan, oh. More videos daw para maging rich na daw kami. You're so very poor kasi anak. No.
If we don't be rich, then we're gonna never buy a rich house. and never live in British Columbia anymore. And with other era, it's for a short while to go.
O yun, pangarap mo talagang tumira sa British Columbia.
But you said that 4 million channels say no to make this video.
And why do you want to live in British Columbia?
So now we can meet Ate Ella. This way is for Ate Ella only.
Oh, you want to go with Ate Aira?
Yeah.
Can you say hi to Ate Aira?
Hi, Ate Ella.
Ayan na yung mga Teletubbies guys. Kompleto na. Aakyat na sila. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala, Pow. Memorize. Memorize ko din mga color. Si Ella, si Pow. Tinky Winky, si Daryl. Ay, ako na lang si Tinky Winky. Ikaw si Dipsy. Lala, si Kaden.
Sino ba yun?
Sino ba yung mga yun? Ganda ng araw.
Okay din oh. Look at 1 tree. They're solid.
I'm so lucky. This is so funny. Every time, this is the first radio when I went for catching my hand when I go into the air.
So, dito na kami sa taas.
Let's go. Let's go.
1 eternity later.
Hello.
So, ayan guys.
We're not
Pauwi na.
in the flat.
Pauwi na kami. Pero
No,
dito na yung way namin.
No, I don't want to go home.
Oy, nakakaintindi si Kaden ng Tagalog. Do you understand what I said?
No, I wanted to go home.
Ayaw niya lang aminin.
I didn't want to go home. I forgot what I wanted to do. I want to go home.
Si Vanella
later.
nahilo.
I want to go home later.
Yeah, you can go home later. No worries.
Now we're going to the park.
Mhm. Meron palang lakaran doon, o Daryl.
Oo.
Saan kaya yung pupunta?
Dun sa kabila. Sa ano na? Dun sa, ano ba yun? Yung,
School.
oh, sa may school na yun.
Gusto mo punta tayo doon? Try natin. Tapos mag-milk tea. Ay, ang bilis nito. Huwag na, joke lang. Ang tagal mo sumagot eh.
Subscribers, did you know that soon we're gonna go to Auntie Zoe's house?
Oh, no.
I thought you were going to Auntie Ella's house.
Era's house, yeah.
Soon.
You're gonna live in British Columbia na?
Yeah.
When? When we're rich.
Yeah. And also, I have one more question for you, subscribers. When
we're a millionaire,
when we're in
we can afford to go there. And daddy don't have to work.
at Auntie Zoe's house, we're gonna have barbecue soon.
Barbecue.
They'll start
Come on,
soon.
tayo.
Oh, bakit?
Soon, everybody. So, just wait.
Just wait. It still happens.
They'll make a flag on that day, okay?
Yeah.
Tundro.
So that you can see us out there.
Mm-hmm.
It's a family. I don't know when. Hello. This is always the end of the video. So I wanted to tell you what one subscriber to do it. One subscriber should buy me a big cart that is cool. You will go eat also walk on the carpet and also that if you open it and then you will find a car that or
Kaden, wala kaming naintindihan.
anything.
May naintindihan ka?
Wala. Paikot-ikot eh.
And also that if you get the car and you open it, you can see the engine.
Look,
And you can
parang may
store
gusto ng
any
ano.
small thing inside it. That's what I said too.
Kumain.
That's what this one guy said to me. If it doesn't,
Ella, don't hold
just
your
wait
hands.
until that adventure works. Then you can buy it. Or buy me. Don't forget, once this guy should bring me a car that's this size. And also, if you open the hood, then you will find a toy, a small car or a kid or anything that I and make sure to give it to me. And the rest of it is, if you open the mini car, then you will find just the engine, and there's a tiny Lego piece inside. And don't forget the mini car is the same but small.
What are you saying?
And you can also replace it. If it doesn't, if that one it doesn't exist, then call me a different toy that I would like.
You're asking them to buy you a toy?
Yeah. If what I the toy that I asked doesn't exist, then buy a different toy that I like. I would
We came a long way, but we ain't slowing down. We got a strong pace, and we ain't losing ground.